Go get them, Bear. Go get those birds. Get them. Look at them. There's thousands of them here on the lawn. Now they're over on top of Mike's roof. Boy, coyotes were out here the other night, and Bear was by my bedroom window, and boy, he let out a rumble and a grumble that sounded mean. Mean. And I mean mean. He sounded mean. No, Chelsea taking a shit. That long shit she took. Man, look at Chelsea taking a shit. There's my little girl. Hey, my little baby. Hey, my little baby. Bear, go get those birds. Go get them. Look, you're all matty again today. That's from the humidity. You're just having a bad hair day. I gotta use conditioner on you for frizzy. That's my good boy. That's a good boy. That's my good boy. That's my good baby boy, yes. And my little Chelsea. Go get those birds. Go get them birds. All right. Say hello. Say hello, Chelsea. Say hello, Chelsea. Come on. Go bark, 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 Chelsea. Hey, my little girl. Hey, my little baby. There's my little girl. Where's my little girl? Right under my feet. Right under my feet. You're my little baby. Oh, there they are. Look at the birds. Wow. Look. Wow. It looks like the movie of Alfred Hitchcock. Boy, oh boy, we're being swarmed. The lake's that way, fellas. Tell them, Chelsea. The lake's that way. Say bye, Chelsea. Bye, Chelsea. Say bye-bye.